Men, you are stressed.
Men are
Men
stressed.
are scary. Men are scam.
Over 2 bomb, over.
It's because of the guys of today. You guys are not trustworthy, so you have to have backup plan.
You damn shit, baby. What for damn papa?
Not have any main chick or anything. I just vibe with girls randomly.
So probably if his wife understand for a threesome, man, let's vibe, man.
Hey!
No, I'm your bestie. What is she bestie that I can bestie? I can bestie everything, so please.
I'm so much on it now. And Obiao, me do yame. Obia fan Jimmy Kokra, wa won't yasi be a yare.
Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Prudent himself, and officially welcome you to another exciting episode of the Free Your Mind Show on MX24 TV. Today, I'm currently at Dansoman Methodist University College, Ghana, and I'm here to interact with students. Do you need a backup in your relationship? If yes, why? If no, why? This is what I'll be talking to people at Methodist University College. Don't go nowhere. It's about to go down.
Go and sit down.
Backup, I'd say no. Because if you have a backup, like you're with a main guy and you have the other one, if you tend to like if the other one tends to be more loving, then you'd be like even this one cries more than you, so there's going to be comparison and other things which will so backup there nah.
It's a no-no for
It's a
you.
no.
Hey, now what happened here? What can I say?
Some people they will just give in your all and then support you. Why will you have backups? Because you think, let's say, some guys have it in mind that I'm nice, especially the guys who are nice. Like they know that me I'm nice, so I can't be with one lady. I have a lot of people. So if you fool, pack yourself and then but it's not nice.
You talk my niggas is bitches niggas.
As for now, messing up is actually normal, you understand? Like me, for example, I won't lie to you. If my baby's fucking up, I have a best friend I can relate with. Exactly.
You have a bestie on
I
the
get
regular.
she day upstairs like this.
Hey!
Yeah, I think when you're with the right person, it's cool. You need a backup when the person is not correct. Like you can
No,
see
but
that
then
the person has no future
okay.
plans for you or something. But that one, I will not advise anyone to do it.
Okay.
So before you get into a relationship, take your time, study the person well, then you can make something out of it.
Means your what?
If you see that you don't have a future with the person, just leave the person. Why are you with the person? So you leave the person.
Would you agree for your boyfriend to have a bestie?
No, a female.
A female bestie?
I mean, you can have, but I'll have my suspicions. All right,
And you would accept it?
50-50. Yeah.
Don't do that.
There is no bestie anywhere. It's just your friends. If something goes wrong, you can talk to them. They'll give you advice. If you know it's a good advice, you just take it. Yeah.
So you're in a relationship?
Yeah.
How is it going?
Actually, cool.
Hey, somebody's in love, man. Okay, but tell me, do you need a backup, or you still want
the
to?
backup. He's enough for me.
It's enough for you.
Yeah.
He does everything for you.
Exactly.
You get it? Okay. If you don't get it, forget about it.
You see, if you realize that there is some form of gaps in your relationship, maybe your guy or your woman, just prompt her attention or his attention to that. That's the best thing to do. And if the person is not, coming back to his or her senses, you just have to let the person go.
Think about yourself, okay?
The thing, at least you forget some bro day, your mind say, if your girl fuck up, yeah, she did give you bath, so like, yeah, it be idea. Just to see the girl, for doing anything plus you bath.
It's because of the guys of today. You guys are not trustworthy, so you have to have backup plan.
Guys of today are not trustworthy.
Mm.
Why do you say that?
Guys of today are not to be trusted, Charlie.
Okay, did you have any experience that is making you say something?
Oh no, but we can't trust the guys of today. Like we can't trust them at all. Yeah.
But they also say they can't trust you girls.
Oh, you have to trust us.
Hey, Abi, plan B always good.
So
That's the way we like it in the town.
Do you know guys can do two things at the same time?
I didn't know that.
When they have someone, they immediately change, and you can see that so easily.
Of course, really?
Yes. So when you try talking to him and it's still the same, you know that
There's somebody.
you've been replaced.
You've been what?
Replaced.
This is a brand new week. I need to be wise.
If you trust your guy, well, you know he won't fuck up, so you don't need a backup.
Okay.
I don't still think it's advisable to have a backup.
You don't think it's advisable to have
Yeah,
a
because if you should have a backup, is that just like you're dating another person? You get so yeah, impromptu dating two people at the same time. Yeah.
I got.
No, if you love someone, why do you need a backup?
But then maybe in case the person messes up.
If there's trust, then I don't think you need a backup. You only need a backup if maybe you don't trust the person. Yeah.
But along the line, when the person changes, don't you think you need a backup?
Backup, yeah. Maybe
Me personally, I don't think it's necessary. But if you have, Charlie, do you?
Yeah. Why do people like saying do you?
Do you, eh?
What is wrong is wrong.
Maybe you're dating someone, the person is fully, and then you meet someone who is ready to spend, like, treats you better, and you're still with the person. You just, it's you. Me, mom, I can't, because men, you are stressed.
Men are stressed.
Men are scary. Men are scam. So I can't.
Men are stressed, men are scary, men are scam.
Over to bomb, over.
Hanging out with so many girls. It's a turn off for me. Whilst I'm there, Ube jamming now with the girl who I call them with Chile. Hey, my job life, I'm out.
Hey, they are not in love.
Whilst I'm there sleeping, what am I doing?
And then if you're in love with somebody, if you're in love with somebody, just work on it. That's all. You just tell the person change, work. That's what I think you should do.
You know, there are some guys, if you talk to them, they don't listen.
In your guidance,
What's that?
I'm thinking I said the Venetia Bonantin in your guidance.
Ladies, we cheat with emotions, but guys, they are just doing for doing sake. They can just they'll just see someone. Maybe you're dating a slim person. You see someone with big eyes and all of that. You be like, this person. Let me just go in. But if a lady is cheating, she'll be like, oh, Charlie. Oh, what if I get caught? You see, and a lady will not.
Are you trying to justify
if you're not
yours?
interested in someone?
He's touching your boobs. Oh yeah, he's touching my boobs. Boobs are meant to be touched.
Personally, I've had an experience with that bestie stuff.
What happened?
They started with bestie. I didn't like it. I spoke to the boy, and then he was pissed about it. And like later on, I told him to choose between his bestie and myself. He didn't choose between the two of us. 2 days later, he broke up with me, and the next day, it was just circulating all over the school that they were dating. Yeah.
I've been thinking about here.
What him doing?
Whenever we quarrel, him pretend to call him girlfriend.
No, I'm your bestie. What is she bestie that I can bestie? I can bestie everything, so please.
So the guy broke up with you because of the friend. Then it's really serious.
It was serious. That was my first serious relationship. That was my first yeah.